Do you ever get crushed at the baseline? Well, don't panic. Here's a tip, just reset. Think of resetting like a parachute, not like a surrender. You're getting crushed at the baseline. Again, don't panic. We're gonna reset the point. Take control. Number 1, soften your grip on your paddle. 3 out of 10 pressure. Number 2, aim for the top of the net, not the kitchen line. Number 3, let the ball fall. Let your paddle fall and lift it up with your whole arm. You're essentially pushing the ball over. You're sending the ball home, and the ball likes to go to its home. You're giving the ball a little tap. The ball's bags are packed. It's ready to go home. So just send it home, okay? Its home is in the court, not out, not in the net. So let the paddle face fall, relax grip, and reset. Now, when you do reset, if you're getting crushed at the baseline, running back and forth, there's a couple things you can do. The first is you want to try to hit the ball in the same path that it came into you on. So if it's coming cross court, you don't change the direction, go down the line. You keep going cross court, okay? You can try to go back to the center, but you shouldn't go for that down the line shot. It's tempting. You think you're going to hit a winner down the line. You're not going to hit a winner. It's a pickleball court. It's not that wide, okay? The person will take 3 steps and be over there. You want to hit it back the same direction that it came in, cross court, down the line. If it comes into you down the line again, or center, that's the reset point. So along with easing the grip, easing the pressure, swinging up, you reset it in the same direction back to the center. When in doubt, hit it to the center. The second thing you can do is you can change how you're swinging. If it's a baseline rally and you're hitting top spin shots or you're hitting ground strokes, full on drives, along with hitting it back to the same direction that it came in or hitting it center, you can take speed off the ball. Like what I said, to send it home, aim for the top of the net and just float it over. But you don't want to change the direction. You can hit a block, you can hit underspin, you can reset with an underspin shot. That's one of the best shots to reset the point with, because when someone's hitting pounding ground shots, they're naturally expecting the ball to come back probably quickly, probably fast. Same type of shot they just hit at you. So if you want to try to reset it, catch them off guard, take a better position, hit a blocking or an underspin shot. Now, it's not a slice, it's a smiley face low to high. So if someone's just pounding the ball at you, you can take speed off of it, hit a block, underspin shot, it'll stay over the net, and the bounce will be different going back at them than it was coming in. If they're looking for topspin, looking for a bounce trajectory that carries the ball and goes up high. If you're hitting it with a block, it's not gonna bounce very high. It's going to have a little bit of underspin and force them to hit from lower below the level of the net. So if you're getting destroyed at the baseline, you're hitting against someone or playing with someone who can just pound the ball, remember to reset by hitting the ball back to in the same direction that it came in, to the center, and or you can change the type of shot that was hit by hitting a block or an underspin shot back at them. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe button, please.